Oh my God, there's more coming.
Look at this.
What is it?
Orbs coming out of other orbs, strange bird behavior happening in New Jersey right now. The FBI is releasing new statements telling people that all they're seeing is stars and airplanes.
There are no reported or confirmed drone sightings in any restricted airspace.
The news, on the other hand, is telling people that air bases are being shut down temporarily.
Wright Patterson Air Force Base airspace was closed for about 4 hours Friday night after small unidentified drones were spotted near the base.
Things don't add up.
Med Flight 8 Patterson Tower, use extreme caution for heavy UAS. It's weird, it's a red circular shape.
None of this makes sense, and we're going to look at it all right now in today's video. Thank you guys for joining me. Let's get this video going. There is so much new footage coming out within the last 24 hours. It is bizarre. I'm talking absolutely wild. So I've showed you guys a couple clips of these things being caught on camera, apparently firing some sort of weird projectile.
No, that's a drone. Holy shit! I got that on video! I got that on video!
Take a look at this.
Motherfucker.
What about these things up in the sky, which look like they're releasing some sort of weird chemicals or some kind of jet stream? Take a look at this.
That does not look like a plane. And it's literally going, it seems like it's going upright. It's like a vertical. Like, what is it spraying? What is that? Whatever it's spraying looks so thick. I'm scared. What the heck is that? What do you think? What do you think?
Now, there's people in the comments of this video trying to say that those are chemtrails. You've never seen chemtrails behind a plane or contrails or whatever. That thing is literally sitting there stationary, and the trails, steam or whatever, the mist that's coming out of it, looks like it's going straight down, vertically. What kind of chemicals is this thing releasing, and what's below it? Cities, neighborhoods, traffic, people? And then take a look at this. Someone also sent me a video of what appeared to be a cloud in LA, California, exploding. It looked like the cloud was literally just catching fire. The more and more I look at it, this flame just ripples all the way through the entire cloud, and only in the cloud. Like, the cloud was combustible. How can a cloud catch fire or explode? Unless there's something in the air now that is explosive. What is this? Is that CGI? There's something weird about that. What do you guys think that is right there? I don't know how to explain it.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it right there. Hold on, let me still get it. Let me still go focus in. You know that.
Jesus. God, I'm looking at this. I can't believe it. Did y'all
Oh my God, there's more coming.
look at this?
What is it? Planes don't look that color. There's a
So that's not the first time that someone's captured something like this. I believe it was Las Vegas. There was something like this up in the sky and a bunch of people filmed it.
Oh my god, is that UFO stuff? Wait.
Weird.
I can't even get it on my fucking camera.
It's true.
And then there's also footage of what people believe is another one of these things possibly going down. Take a look at this.
Bro, they shot one of the drones out the sky. Bro, I was looking at this thing. It was like blinking up here. Look at this. What the fuck is that? Yo.
Now, I didn't see any other aircrafts anywhere near it. I didn't see it as a drone before it started smoking and going down, so I can't say that something shot the drone out of the sky. But at the same token, that doesn't look like regular airplane trails or anything like that to me. It's some weird object smoking coming down from the sky. But then take a look at this too.
Something's going up real fast. A plane? I can't tell what it is. Whoa, is that moving quick? That could be a drone. I don't know what the hell that is. But that is quick. There's only one remaining right now. Whatever that green flashing one is, he moved quick around it to get it.
And watch what happens next. Take a look at this.
He's like right there with it. Go, ooh, he's like right on it. Ooh, that whatever it was just shot down the drone. If that was a drone. Holy crap.
Whether these are drones, UAPs, UFOs, I don't know what they are. Nobody really does at this point, but there is more and more footage coming out by the minute, by the day. Now watch this closely, okay? Because there's a red drone up in the sky and it looks like it's being approached by this white orb.
What the hell? Okay, something's going on. Something's going on. What is that next to it? A part of me is starting to maybe think like that red drone is someone's drone, like someone here putting it up, like police or something like that, and the one above it is the unidentified drones. I don't know, that's not accurate. I am just saying my theory, because that red drone is really low. It's kind of weird. And oh my god, look at that one going. What the fuck? Where is it going? It went close to that red drone. What the hell is happening? It's going low.
And then there's this footage, which appears to be like one craft flying together and then it separates into two separate crafts. Take a look at this. And it looks like it's one object, then all of a sudden it looks like it slowly starts to morph into two objects. Here's another clip of an object flying over someone's home that looks exactly the same in the shape and the lights and everything. Check this out, it's like a boomerang-shaped aircraft going over their home. It's definitely not an airplane. And it has these same similar red lights as the object that separated just a second ago. Now I have a theory, and I'm just going to throw this out there. You guys can tell me what you think.
How are they fueling them? They have to land somewhere. Drones don't fly forever.
I believe that when that little orb was approaching the red drone that you could see clearly lit up in the sky, I think that it was recharging. And if you think that that's so far shot out, we have airplanes that literally refuel other planes midair. Technology is advancing, and drones obviously need to be charged somehow. If the military was able to refuel airplanes mid-flight without the plane having to land and go down, what makes you think that we don't have drones that can be recharged mid-flight? Seriously. So if you look at that aircraft that looked like it was one object and then it separated into two, I think that they might be recharging while flying and then they separate when they're done recharging. When it was in the shape or the form of one, I think it was connected and recharging. Are they just staying up in the air? There's something strange about that. Now listen to this conversation this pilot had with other pilots over transmissions on the airwaves. Take a listen to this.
No, there's one way up high and one about my altitude. Moving in like a circle, like a corkscrew pattern. Just had another one show up about my 1 o'clock, about 1,000 feet high, zipping towards us and then back out towards the ocean. It's red in color. It's weird. It's a red circular shape, and it keeps zipping out towards the ocean and then coming back in about, 20 miles or closer to us, and then zips back out of the ocean and we can't see it.
So he literally said he saw white orbs that he couldn't really describe, couldn't explain. One of them was moving in a circular motion. But then he said there's this red orb that's going out to the ocean and back in at insanely fast speeds. He couldn't describe it. He couldn't explain what he was seeing. Never saw anything like that before. But it was shooting out to the ocean and it was coming back inland. I think that that's the charging drone. I think that the red ones are up there charging these little white orbs. I could be completely wrong, but from the last couple clips that I just played, seeing this thing separating and turning into like two different drones, hearing the pilots talking about this red orb coming in and going back out to the ocean insanely fast, it would make sense if these things were being charged mid-flight. But now, away from that theory, I have to turn you guys to a whole nother logic because there's more sightings happening right now in Brazil. Take a look at this.
Diz pra vocês que a gente dia vê, estão aqui, corram. Só olha pro céu. Olha, não para de vir. Olha ali pra isso. Olha pra isso.
Que isso? Tá no luz, tá no fogo, gente.
Não é fogos não, minha filha. Eu tô aqui há meia hora e não para de subir luzinha em forma de triângulo. Tá vendo ali, ó? Em forma de triângulo.
Now, what about this?
Like, what is that? Do you see that? What?
These white orbs that are flying around in the sky and moving and maneuvering and doing their own thing, I captured 73 of these in my backyard in July. Like that right there, coming down. Right near the airplane. Look at that. That blinking light is more than likely a plane, but look at, here comes one. Is it gonna f up the airplane? People thought I was crazy. I uploaded the video and people were like, oh, that's Starlink. Those are satellites. Satellites don't just come down into our atmosphere and start making maneuvers and moving on their own. Last time I checked. And I caught more than 70 of these things in July. If all those orbs that we're seeing in the sky are just drones, I saw a ton of them over Florida, guys. So I don't know what that means, but I do know that something major is happening and we are not being told what's going on. I can tell you that right now. And then what about this video? This guy captured like these weird orb-looking things going up into the clouds, and this was 2 days ago.
The f is this shit? What the fuck is that? This is above the Pentagon.
Are you kidding me? The clouds lighting up, the sky opening up, and these white little orbs going up towards that opening in the sky. Also, people are capturing footage of birds flying the f out of New Jersey. We're talking about like millions of birds trying to get the hell out of the state right now.
Oh my God. Yo, what the f? Yo. Yo, it's like 10,000 birds, yo.
Major reports are going on all over the United States. Other states are seeing these things. It's not just the Northeast, like I said before.
Right, Patterson Air Force Base airspace was closed for about 4 hours Friday night into Saturday morning after small unidentified drones were spotted near the base.
I went to the Wright Patterson Air Force Base. They were unable to talk to us.
Med Flight 8 Patterson Tower, use extreme caution for heavy UAS movement on the base. Security forces is handling the situation.
So the news just covered an Air Force base being shut down temporarily due to these strange drones or orbs or whatever flying around it in Ohio. This happened yesterday.
Yeah, so many questions following the sightings. The FBI and the White House still say they don't know the origin. They also say they don't have any evidence that the drones pose any sort of threat.
My judgment, based on my experience, is that those that are over our military sites are adversarial and most likely are coming from the People's Republic of China. I believe they're spying.
But then we have the White House and the FBI releasing statements like this.
We have not been able to, and neither have state or local law enforcement authorities, corroborate any of the reported visual sightings. To the contrary, upon review of available imagery, it appears that many of the reported sightings are actually manned aircraft that are being operated lawfully. And importantly, there are no reported or confirmed drone sightings in any restricted airspace.
Pilots are seeing these things and they don't know what they are. And we're talking about government-trained official pilots that are saying this over radio frequencies like, I got this thing up here, never seen anything like it before. Air bases are being shut down because they can't fly with these things around them. Do you not see how their statement coincides with what's actually happening? Lawfully manned aircrafts fly within regulations. They don't go to restricted zones because if they are lawfully manned, that means that they have to be in our airspace and follow the laws of our airspace. What they wouldn't do is shut down a major air base in Ohio because they're flying in restricted zones. So what this guy's saying right now on the news and all these press conferences, total bullshit.
The government knows what is happening. Our military knows where they took off from. If it's a garage, they can go right into that garage. They know where it came from and where it went. And for some reason, they don't want to comment. And I think they'd be better off saying what it is our military knows and our president knows. And for some reason, they want to keep people in suspense. I can't imagine it's the enemy, because if it was the enemy, they'd blast it out. Even if they were late, they'd blast it. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people.
Have you received an intelligence briefing on the drones?
I don't want to comment on that.
That is very different than just giving the people a no. The fact that he said,
I don't want to comment on that,
is a pretty clear indicator to me. What do you think? So there's a lot of different theories going around about what these are, and some people believe that they're ours and that they're trying to sniff out nuclear radiation. Actually, that makes some sense too, because if you watch the video I did yesterday, I just found a report. I'll pull it up for you right now. Hang on. This is on the nrc.gov website, an official government website, United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission, event notification report for December 13th, 2024. And that says event right here. The event text reads, source lost in transit. The following information was provided by the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection. The licensee reported to NJDEP on December 3rd, 2024 that a GE 68-pin source that they sent for disposal has been lost in transit on December 2nd. Right here on the nrc.gov website, it says that we had material go missing on the 2nd, which was 2 weeks ago. And I think that that's when all the crazy hype started happening in New Jersey and New York with these weird drones showing up. And let's just say our government is trying to find this nuclear radioactive container that went missing. If it's not that serious, why have hundreds of drones all over the United States looking for it? So these are some very strange times that we're living in right now, guys. People don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I'm just trying to give you as much information as I can. I'm finding new videos uploaded by the hour, by the minute, and I will continue doing that until we get to the bottom of this and figure out what the hell these things are. What do you think they are? Do you think that these are strange orbs like extraterrestrial, Chinese spy drones that are coming in like this guy just mentioned a few minutes ago? Or do you think that these are our own drones sniffing out some sort of radiation? Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks for joining. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Peace.